Hi everyone, it's Kat, and today I have a very exciting Prada unboxing. I've been waiting to open this package to film, so let's do it right now. So excited. Oh my gosh, look. Okay. Oh, she wrapped it so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you see? Okay. How do I open the ribbon, of course? Here's the box. Oh. Yay! Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And I'll include some clips of the sparkle. This bag is just so fun. Oh my gosh. And here's the tag and everything. Okay, amazing. Here's all the stuffing. And then the card of authenticity. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I've been wanting a Prada bag, something from Prada, but it had to be special and unique because I like their nylon stuff, but just for the price and everything, it's just too simple for my taste. And this bag is freaking amazing. Nothing short of a showstopper for sure. In the natural sun, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, it has crystals all over bottom and top. And then inside, I think it also has satin lining, and there's no pocket or anything, but it has the Prada stamp and all that. And yes, it is so pretty. I will probably get a bag insert for this because I do like how it looks more like when it's stuffed. So if I get a bag insert, I think that will help keep the shape a bit more, because I like it when it looks a bit more full, if that makes sense. So yes, this is the bag. Oh my gosh. The Prada Re-Edition 2000 in the crystal version. And oh my gosh, I just love how it looks. I just think this is such a cool bag. It just makes my heart sing. And I recently saw they have a yellow version and now a mint version. So they've had pink, white, and then this one, and then the blue and the yellow now. But yeah, this is just so freaking beautiful. Yay! Now I'm gonna show you what fits inside. So here is the bag and phone, of course, wallet, sunglasses, put that in there, some lip products, and of course car keys, and everything fits very easily. And like I said, I will probably get a bag organizer just to help it keep its shape. And then on the inside, there are no little pockets or anything. It's just an opening and the bag. All right, so at the time I purchased this, it was priced at $17.20 without tax. But as you guys know, price increases for luxury houses have been insane. And last I checked, this is available for pre-order on Bergdorf Goodman, but now it is priced at $18.50 without tax. So if this is a bag you're eyeing, I would definitely snatch it up sooner versus later because the price increases just aren't stopping. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and seeing what fits in this bag. I'm so excited. I've had this bag on my Pinterest board wish list for so long, and it was kind of my little reward for myself for this year and all my hard work and stuff. So I am so excited to have this bag, and I cannot wait to use it and style it. It is just so fun, and I have Cassie Thorpe to blame because she has it and I kept seeing it in her videos and it was almost haunting me. Like, I needed to have it. So yes, here we are. It's such a fun bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.